Hello everyone, in this video we'll make a sprite interpolate between two positions. First, we'll create a sprite. And we'll make it icon.png. Let's make it interpolate from here to around here. Well, that's okay. Then, get an animation player. And then we'll create a new one called movement. Then we'll go over to sprite and we'll click this little key icon. Here we'll make it 0, and then here we'll make it says 920, and then we'll add a script to activate it, and then we'll access the animation player and play movement. And now it can zip around. Of course, we can save this, and we can put it on loop. So it's very much like there's a portal here and the ball comes out here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.